A coordination meeting cum workshop on disaster management was held on Friday at Pragna Bhavan in Agartala. The event brought together all club members under the West Tripura district along with officials from the West District Magistrate, NDRF and other administrative departments. According to West District Magistrate Dr. Vishal Kumar, the meeting was organized to emphasize the importance of disaster management and to discuss how club members can assist during natural disasters. He highlighted the valuable work done by several clubs in the past who helped rescue people affected by floods in the Agartala area. The primary goal of the meeting was to jointly prepare the administration and the community for future disaster prevention by discussing security and precautionary measures. Reported by Pranav from Agartala, Chini, Khorang.